Hey guys, it's DollyWink86 and today I'm so excited because I just received my trade package from Rainbow Smile 97 and now I'm going to show you what she sent to me. So there are a lot of Rilakkuma stickers. Thank you for them. I really like stickers and I really like Rilakkuma too. So thank you very a lot. And then there is this sweet pochette, I don't know how to call it, full of things. First of all, thank you for the pochette. This is so cute, I really like it. Then there is this kawaii drawing with this letter, but this is written in Italian, so sorry guys. There is a mamegoma at the bottom, and a bunny and a cupcake, because I said earlier that I like bunny and cupcake. Then there is a pair of earrings made by Air, so thank you for them. There are 20 stickers of Hello Kitty and thank you for them. Then there are some beads and cabochons and thank you for them. Oh, there is also a cane. This is a kiwi cane, thank you for it. And a lot of cabochons, thank you for them. Then other cabochons and beads. Oh, and Decoden pieces, I think, yeah. And then this little charm. This is a mushroom. A lot of handmade cabochons. Really cute. And then other beads and cabochons. You sent me a lot of beads and cabochons, thank you. And then charms, a lot of charms. So they are really cute. There is this cupcake bunny, another cupcake, a bunny, a kawaii cookie, and another kawaii cookie. Then there are a lot of stickers. A lot. Now I'm going to show you them. So first of all, there are those custom stickers that she made for me. Rilakkuma and Corilakkuma, mamegoma, Yogurt Kun, and I don't know. So those stickers, and then some Warner Bros. And Disney, I think. So this one, this one, so very a lot. This one, and this one. And then a lot of Hello Kitty stickers. This and this, very colorful. This one. This one. This boyish one. This glittered one. This one. And this one. So there were a lot of things and a lot of extras, so thank you for them. I'm really happy to have made this trade with you. You've been so generous, so thank you so much, and I really hope we will be able to trade again in the future, so bye.